This is a place we came to in 2017 when Wales were playing Moldova in the World Cup qualifiers. When we came here last time, we had 2,000 Wales supporters in Chisinau, and when we got home, a lot of the Wales supporters donated the spare money we had. And we collected in about £1,000, and some of that money we've spent today at this children's home, and we bought them a projector and a laptop and t-shirts and various other things, and they go come and watch us play Northern Ireland at the futsal arena.